Thank you for the top ADM. Hello, how are you? I'm Magic. Hello, Algram. You did better. Magic, how are you, Magic? Manuel, hello. Nico, thank you for the top, Nico. How are you, Nico? Hi, Hello, Enjoy. Hello, Engineer. Engineer Sam. Nico, okay lang. Where are you from? Hello, How are you, Sheil? Pogi, hi, Pogi. Thank you for the follow, Pogi. Ikaw, okay lang. Hi, Steve. Taga-Chile ako, original. Oh, wow. What time is it there? Pero nagkatira ako sa Sweden. Oh, really? Why do you know how to speak Tagalog? Hello, Mark. How are you, Mark? Welcome, guys. How are you doing? Oh, what time is it there in Sweden? Alam ko mong why do you know? How? Hello, Elmer. Mga simpleng lang. Oh, that's nice. You know how? I picked some. Oh, nice. So what time is it there? Hi, Dala. What time is it there in Sweden? Hi, Plus. Hi, Z. Hello, Adam. Hi, everyone. 12:32 p.m. Oh, hi, Red. Oh, it's afternoon. Yeah. So good afternoon to you. Hi, Red Ball. How are you, Red Ball? Hello, Mr. Gray. Hello. Aki. Hi, Aki. Sino ba andito? Hi, Jose. How are you, Jose? Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Rami, hi, Rami. Casey. Siyempre, Casey. Hi, Balde. Hello, Shake. Andrew. Hi, Andrew. How are you, Andrew? Yoro. No name. Hola. Mr. O. Ali. Hi, David. Tudo bem? Hello, Len. Hi. Hi, Angry Emoji. iPhone. Ayan sila. Hi, Darren.
It. Parang kung bata. Diba? Diderater. Ora ka? Anong language to? Hindi naman ata Spanish to. Brazil? Brazil ba to? Thank you, Dick! Tapos may sungay, edi mas lalong parang bata. Okay lang yun? Hi, Jardes. Hello, bro. What's up? Portuguese. I thought it's Brazil. Sorry, my bad. Wala na akong kape. Wag, no, don't do that. Rapsa, baby girl. Ano yung Rapsa? Is it a compliment?